Your Horses Run is with Brett Kissel. He's a country artist from Alberta, Canada. Love him to death. He is such a good entertainer. If you ever get a chance to see him in concert, check him out. Check him out online. He's just wonderful. Okay, here we go. We saw him live last December, and he put on such a good show. Let Your Horses Run. 5, 6, Birmingham. R2, not that. Let's get the back. Birmingham. R2, not that. Ohio to the left, basic, Turkey. That's right. Line out pivot. Fireball racing. Line out pivot. Fireball racing. Line pivot. Fireball racing. Both corners to the right to the front. Ooh, crossover. Rock up, front back, rock up, basic, 2 down bubbles. Easy side of that. Get forward.